Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to lock column and cells in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, select this left side top corner, this one. Now right click on it. Now here click on Format Cells. Click on Protection. Unselect Locked. Click on OK. Now click Anyway. Now select column or rows which you want to protect and you want to lock. Like I want to protect these cells or these particular rows and cells. Right click on it, format cells. Now right click on it and click on format cells, and here click on locked, then click on OK. Now click on this review tab, then protect sheet, and make sure these both boxes are selected. Select locked cells and select unlocked cells. Also you can add a password if you like, then click on OK. Now you try to make changes, so you will see this notice. The cell or chart you are trying to change it on a protected, the cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change, unprotect the sheet. You might be requested to enter a password. So similarly, select them, right click on it. So now you will be not able because some cells are locked. So this way you can lock Excel worksheet. Thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you, and please